Warning: our YouTube channel and its videos may contain scenes, language, and content that may not be appropriate for all audiences. These videos include surveillance footage, undercover pursuit of suspects, actual police and rescue operations, and fearless confrontations. If you do not approve of the content, please do not watch our videos. If you wish to continue, we strongly advise that you proceed with caution. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Ben Tulfo Unfiltered.
Alam niyo ho kasi mga bossing, may mga suggestion ho kasi ng iba, talagang sinasabi nila kung kinakailangan itong mga barangay na to, elections na to, wag na i-appoint na lang. Kasi pag in-appoint mong barangay, bibigyan mo ng taning ang kanilang mga posisyon. Hindi yung mga barangay tagay, pag nagbabarangay chairman, nagiging politika na, didikitan ng mga dilaw yan. Pag dinikitan ng dilaw yan, tatakbo na yan pagkakonsehal ng bayan, and then pagiging mayor, the start, that's the beginning. Recruitment process para doon sa sinasabing mga trapo. I believe that's about time that the position of barangay chairman should carry a lot of accountability. When he's elected, I'm sorry, but I'm going to say it unfiltered, he doesn't have any accountability. He's always under the mantle that I was elected, kinalala ko ng taong bayan. But President Digong says, maybe it's about time that we have to appoint. Kaya lang, pag in-appoint mo yan, may taning yan. Anong magagawa sa loob ng 3 taon? Kay korap, sasample lang kita, kapareho ng sample, sibakinding kita. Itong dapat gawin mo. Kasi alam niyo yung mga barangay ngayon, sila na yung talagang kalat mga droga sa kanila. Ang dami yung mga barangay Kolokoy, Kumag at Kengkoy tulad ni Trillanes at si Lenny Robredo.
Ben Tulfo Unfiltered.